Hi guys, hope so you all are fine, and in this video we are going to quick overview of Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will start with its processor. The processor of this mobile phone is 5nm 64-bit processor, octa-core processor is here. And if we talk about its operating system, Android operating system built in with Android. And if we also talk about its display, what are the kind of display it's provide to you, and its screen type 6.4 inch screen is here, you can see, and super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate sides, that is amazing. Everyone want refresh rate side is also more dependent whenever you want to purchase it. Now let's talk about its color. The color is also pretty amazing. It's available in 4 colors. You can look at the white color, graphite color, olive color, and lavender color. And if we talk about its dimension, the dimension of it is 74.5, 155.7, and 7.9 millimeter. It's and 177 its gram is weight. Now here we talk about the main part of the phone is its camera. The camera of this phone is pretty amazing. You can see a lot of camera mobile, and this mobile is one of them. You can see a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, it's and 12 megapixel wide camera and 8 megapixel telephoto camera. And you can also see the front camera, that is 32 megapixel camera. Now we talk about its battery, and its battery is 4500 mAh battery. That is amazing. It's enough for you if you are using Android phone. For Android 4500 mAh battery is enough. And if we are talking about its charging, the charging is 25 watt wired, not wireless like Apple etc. Forget about it. And it's a water resistance. You can put in water, you can check it if you want to check it. It's a water resistant, and also available in a sensor type. Sensor is also available, and the main thing is it's a fingerprint sensor. And also like that, it's a main thing also about talking, we say memory. The memory of this phone is 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage, 8 GB RAM with 128 GB internal storage, and also with the 6 GB RAM with 128 GB internal storage. All these specs, all these varieties of specification is available, and this changing with its price, nothing else change, but its memories and other things change. Some of the price is low and some are the high. If you like this quick overview, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And main thing, at the last, I do not talk about its price, because I'm making this video in this day and launching in 11 January, and I don't know what the price is it. So if the price after launching, I will mention the price. It's in the description. You can also check the other links.